All right. So we have the addition property. A lot of words, but what it really means is we're adding something to both sides. So if we have A is equal to B, notice we are adding C to both sides. Okay? Subtraction property. Subtracted from both sides. So again, if we have A equals B, we're subtracting C on both sides. Subtraction property. Multiplication, multiplied to both sides. A equals B. So then notice we're multiplying both sides by C. And then the division property, divided both sides. So if we have A equals B, we're dividing both sides by C. So what you are to do is,
I think I have something for my
okay.
Y something way, so my answer.
This might be it. It was returned to me. Is that yours? You don't. All right. And you think you threw it away?
Maybe.
Do you have a place where you can look for it? I mean, no, it's not with you.
No.
So let's do this. Put your name on it. That reminds me, everybody else, put your name on yours. Especially if you take it in and out. If you keep it in your full binder, then you don't necessarily put your name on every page, but if you keep it as a packet and are moving it in and out, make sure your name's on the front. So if you do forget it, I know whose it is. All right, so what you are going to do is it's going to give you an equation. Here is the equation. And they're asking, what is happening to both sides? Well, what is unique here that wasn't over here? Multiplying by t, right? So what you will do is click on one of those buttons. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division button. Okay? So you'll just have those four choices, and you click on one of them. This one is multiply. So you need to know that we're multiplying on both sides. Number two, again, this is the given equation. And this is what's happening to both sides. So that is the addition property. Number three, our given equation, and we are dividing by 84 on both sides, so it's the division property. Number four, here is, whoops. There's the given, and what is happening to both sides is the subtract k, so it's the subtraction, or yeah, they call it subtraction. So we're subtracting on both sides. Number five. Here is my given equation. Now it has this negative 33, but remember a negative 33, and if we wrote this as x plus a negative 33, that's the same as x minus 33. So the key thing is here is it's getting smaller. This is going to get smaller, and even though it looks like addition, it is subtraction because it's a negative number. Okay, so subtract. That one's a little harder, and you got to watch out for that one, but that is subtract because it's adding a negative to both sides, subtracting. Number 6. Here is my equation, and this is what is happening where t is positive, so it is add. Number 7. Here is the equation. And then what are we doing on both sides? Right there. So that is multiply. Or the multiplication property of equality. And number 8. Here is our equation. This is what is happening right there to both sides. So we are again multiply. So the multiplication property. Questions? All right, go ahead, take about 5 minutes to get started on that, then we'll review. Some of you might even finish that in those 5 minutes.